this coin pack, and we're gonna open the GX Beware box. So then, go ahead. Okay, let's open this big boy. Ah! Got the trash. So we got the big size Beware GX right there. And we have 4 packs and a code card right there. Okay? And we have the small size GX card right there. Now we're gonna put these cards in the good pile right here. Now let's go opening our pack. So we have the Tapu first. Let's go. So we have a Cardvera. We have a Fletching. We have a Litwick. We have a Kujita. We have a Pancham. We have a Salamandit. We have a Golfitila. We have Electric Energy. We have a Rezu Stretcher. And we have a Watchung right there. And we have a Slowbro, which looks so beautiful. So that's our first pack. Nothing good so far. Now let's go to the Stream Gesture. So we have this pack. Let's open this. So if you're celebrating any holiday like the New Year, Hanukkah, Winter Solstice, Christmas, we hope you have a wonderful Christmas, Hanukkah, New Year, and stuff like that. And Halloween, and Easter, and stuff like that. Thanksgiving. Okay, let's continue. So we have a Washiwat. We have a Conward. We have a Punita. We have a Kink. We have a Manton. Oh yeah! We have a Oopa. We have a Jumplup. We have a Special Charge. We have a Rapidash. We have a Pershunda, which is a K. Nothing good so far. I like the Hoopa. I don't like the Hoopa. So we have a Ninetales pack right there. And we need to get something good. Whew, that was hard. Okay, next pack. Let's do this. We have a Machop. We have a Hukitaku. We have a Bird. We have a Alolan Sandshrew. We have another Machop right there. And we have you need to take a look at this, dudes. We got a Rainbow GX. Oh my god! Let's put that in the good pile. Woo! We have a Dark Energy. We have a Mib Switch. a enchant hammer. At least we got something good in that pack. Show it off again. It's a rainbow GX that looks beautiful. It's so awesome. So beautiful. Can I see it? So let's put that in the good box. Next pack. Let's do this. It's a Charizard pack. Yep. We made a Mega Charizard. So we have an Onyx. We have a Weedle. We have a other Machop. We have a Kinleka. We have a Vulpix. We have Electabuzz Party. Da, 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 da. We have Electrode. We have a Kulaku. We have a Charmeleon. And we have a Professor Oak. And we have a Kokar. Woo! So that's it for Dean. Now it's time for my pin pack. Oops. So first up that came out of the pack is a Weapon Rod pack right here. Okay, you have the Kokard, the Kokard. We have a Ninetales pack. A Tapu Koko pack. We have a Metagross coin. It's awesome. And we have the Vikavolt. What's a Vikavolt? This one. So let's put the Vikavolt and the coin in the good pile. And this. And let's open the first pack. So let's first start off with Tapu Koko. Let's shake it up. Shake it up, shake it up, shake it up. Roller coaster. Okay, let's open our pack. Okay, first pack. No, so first we have the Kokard. And let's we do 4. So we have the energy, the psychic energy. We have a Slowbro, a Kolokoma, a Glyzor, okay, a Coughing, a Bellsprout, Pancham, a Sorrel, a Chansey, a Solgaleo, oh my god, and a Guafin. So we got the Solgaleo is good. Yep. So let's put it in our good pile. So let's put this in here. So second, let's do the Ninetales. Let's shake it up, shake it up, shake it up, and let's do the roller coaster. I can't believe I got a Rainbow GX. So I'm gonna steal a GX in his pile. Wow! And I put it in here. Okay. So we have our what do you call it? Kokard right there. Put it right there. And let's put 1, 2, 3, 4 right here. So first, our electric energy, a Machoke, energy lock, Heiko Higmo. So we have a birdie. We have a cast form, a nose pass, a Hitbird, a Rockruff, a Beldum, and a Rayquaza. coins.
Nothing good out of that pack. Now let's do our final pack of the day.
Of the day, bro.
So we have the weapon rock. So let's do the roller coaster, the mix-up, and let's do the good luck.
The good luck of the ancient souls.
So we're gonna go slow this pack.
Slow and steady, that means one thing. A 1 chance of getting a GX. That's what it means. If you go slow and steady, you get something good.
So we have the sun and moon code card.
Right there.
Let's do the code. Let's do the code.
Patrick.
3, 4.
And guys, please hit that like button down below. Please subscribe and click that little bell. Turn on the mega.
Okay, so first
So please do that, guys.
we have our fire energy. Then we have an ice cream. Then we have an aqua pack.
Aqua pack.
An energy.
And a
Then
blue.
a stuffle.
And a stuffle.
Sand black.
And a sandlet.
Bun bay.
You mean a horsey?
A bun bay.
A horsey.
And another ice cream cone.
Another ice cream cone.
A gizor.
And a gizor.
An enchanted hammer.
And enchanted. Let me show the card. We got this special card. It's a Halloween Chimera.
Woo! So we have a hollow Goshlock. And yeah. So here's what I got out of all my packs. So
Lay down.
so I got the Solgaleo, the hollow, and the Vikavolt. So
And this is what I got. I got a rainbow rare, GX. We got a beware, GX, and we have one beautiful card, the big size GX. And
So
we have
let
a
me show you-
Hoopa.
so let me show you my nice card.
A little, and we have a Hoopa.
Yeah, let me show you it again.
Right there.
And yeah.
So, okay, make sure to hit that little bell.